Our objective in this video is to introduce the vocabulary that's associated with our study on the periodic table. So let's work through this list of 10 words. First, we have the periodic table. Periodic table is an arrangement of elements in order of increasing atomic numbers that demonstrates the periodic patterns that occur among the elements. We've all seen it, we've been working with it in class, this shouldn't be anything real new. So elements are any substance that cannot be broken down into any simpler substances by any ordinary chemical means. So let's start looking at how these fit into the periodic table. Families or groups. Elements are put into the periodic table by families or groups, and these are going to be the columns moving across the periodic table. They are also arranged in periods. The periods are the horizontal rows that go across the periodic table. All the elements have physical properties, and with the physical properties, we're looking at any characteristic of a substance that can be observed without changing the identity of the substance. Physical properties include density, melting point and boiling point, also conductivity, malleability, ductility, and luster or the shininess of the object. Elements are arranged on the periodic table due to their physical properties as well as chemical properties. Reactivity. Reactivity is going to be the ease and speed with which an element can combine or react with another element or other compounds. Another property is conductivity. This is going to be the ability of an element or an object to transfer heat or electricity to another element or object. On the periodic table, we have three major groups of elements. The first one is our metals. Metals are a class of elements characterized by physical properties that include the shininess, the malleability, the ductility, and the conductivity. They're found below and to the left of the stair-step line of metalloids. This line here that's green in my presentation is our stair-step. So all of these pink colored elements are considered metals. So about 80% of our known elements are metals. Nonmetals. Nonmetals are elements that lack most of the properties of a metal. So all of those things I was talking about, malleability, ductility, the luster, these elements don't have those properties. They're found above and to the right of the stair-step line. So in our picture here, it's all these yellow colored elements. And finally, we have what we call the metalloids. Metalloids are elements with properties of both metals and nonmetals, and they're located along the stair-step line and to the right of the metals on the periodic table. So our stair-step line goes along here. Metalloids also include polonium and astatine. So there's actually 8 metalloids. They are kind of in the middle of our metals and our nonmetals.